So whatever presets you have right here, it's actually saved onto a file. And if you want to know where that file is, all you need to do is right click on that particular file right here, and then go ahead and then reveal the preset file. But this preset is actually a part of Media Encoder itself. So for the file, it's more for the ones that you have created on your own, like user preset and group. So in the user preset, you can see that I have this particular preset. And if I want to view its file, I can right click and then I can go ahead and reveal the preset file. Once you do that, you can see that it actually goes ahead and opens up this particular folder right here with presets, and then these are the presets that you have, just like this, as you can see. And that is how you can go ahead and reveal out the preset file to see where it is right here. If we were to delete it, then it'll be deleted right here as well. So hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.